This is Lunch Break with Rach. Let's head out to the garden. Today we're going to talk about tips involving your tomato plants. My first tip is going to be thinning out your tomato plants. So a lot of times I like to take these long stems that aren't growing anything, they're just a bunch of leaves, and break them off right below where the little nub is, right there, leaving this piece right there, leaving that, cutting the rest off and getting rid of it. This helps for your plant to put a lot more energy into actually growing the tomatoes instead of just having a bunch into leaf growth. Second tip for you is going to be to make sure that the first few inches of your tomato plant do not have any stems or leaves or anything like that on it. This will help a bunch with preventing disease. Third tip, plant those marigolds right on next to these tomato plants and you'll help with disease prevention even more. Last but not least, space your tomato plants out kind of like I have. You need them at least apart a couple of feet so that they have room to grow and branch out. I did make this mistake last summer and everything was way too crowded. It also depletes nutrients. Last but not least, always make sure to tuck in your little branches so that they grow upwards and you don't have a mess. Have a great day and happy gardening.